In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notifications not showing. If Instagram isn't sending notification, you might be missing messages, likes, and comments. Here's how to fix it. First, checks iPhone's notification settings. Go to settings, then Instagram, then notifications. Enable allow notifications. Second, check in-app Instagram settings. Open Instagram, profile, menu, settings, then notifications. Disable pause all toggle. Third, disable focus mode on iPhone. Swipe down and turn off focus mode or go to settings, focus, then focus name, apps, add Instagram to allow it. Fifth, enable background app refresh for iPhone. Go to settings, Instagram, and turn on background app refresh. And lastly, disable notification summary. Go to settings, notifications, scheduled summary, then turn off scheduled summary. And that's it. That's how easy to fix Instagram notifications not showing.